Want to lower your home insurance bill? A smart security system like SimpliSafe can help. Insurance companies often view monitored alarms and smart sensors as lower risk and may offer discounts. Professional monitoring and 24/7 alerts reduce claim frequency and speed up emergency response. Devices like entry sensors, cameras, and water detectors help prevent damage before it happens. SimpliSafe is easy to install, connects wirelessly, and provides verified monitoring you can show your insurer. Quick tip: request an alarm certificate or monitoring letter to lock in any available discounts. Document everything. Take photos, save receipts, and keep your SimpliSafe account records handy. Share that documentation with your insurer and ask specifically about a security discount. Add smart smoke and water sensors and cameras to strengthen your case for larger savings. If your current insurer won't adjust rates, shop around. Many companies reward verified alarm systems. Small extras matter. Keep maintenance records, consider a higher deductible, and bundle policies for bigger savings. Start now. Check your SimpliSafe account for proof of monitoring, then call your insurer to claim any savings.